The entertainment fraternity is in mourning following the passing of beloved Jamaican singer Dobby Dobson, who passed away at age 78. When we return, we'll have the details of this to come on the program. This is the Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again, and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Jamaica has lost one of the founding members of our music and one of the iconic figures of our time, and that's Dobby Dobson. One of Jamaica's most beloved singers, Dobby Dobson, has passed away at age 78. Dobby Dobson passed away at 4:30 p.m. on Tuesday in a hospital in Florida. Tommy Cohen of Glory Music reported that Dobson had passed away and he had COVID-19 as reported. I was told a couple of days ago that he was in a bad state and he even had Alzheimer's for a while now and was in a home. Then he was diagnosed with the COVID-19. Dobson, who started singing back in the early 1950s, recorded hit songs such as That Wonderful Sound and Mexican Divorce. He also had a stint with legendary producer Sir Cox and Dodd from Studio One and also Duke Reid during his musical career. The recording artist Dobson, despite making a name for himself in the music business, kept his day job as a salesperson and proofreader for the Jamaica Gleaner. The singer's big break came in 1971 when he recorded the song Wonderful Sound for Ruby Edwards. That song in particular sold over 40,000 copies in the Caribbean and was followed up by Endlessly, which created waves in England. It was in the year 1979 that Dobson migrated to the United States, and in the year August 2011, he was conferred with the Order of Distinction in the rank of Officer OD for his contribution to reggae music and the culture of Jamaica. Jamaica has lost one of its veterans in the music, Mr. Dobby Dobson, and he was just aged 78 years old. He was one of the pioneers in our music and one of the historic founding members of our music and our reggae culture. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to express our condolences to the family and friends of the late singer, and we said, walk with my brother. Alright, we're out for now for this one. Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, always keeping you up to date with the latest entertainment news right here, right on the program. We ask you, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel so you're notified whenever we post new videos. Have a blessed and productive day.